Hey guys, how you doing? We're here at building 6 where you can see all the cool stuff that is not cars. So when you're here at the Mecum auction, they also have a lot of other stuff that's just car related for sale. So like here, there's a bunch of head covers, intakes, gas cans, gas pumps, trips, setups, carb setups, engines, toys, other things, engines. There's all kinds of signs, popcorn machines, you name it, they have it here for sale. ATM machines for sale. That one's going to cost you a lot because it's full of money, but the rest of these here are just, if we walk down here, you can just keep walking down and seeing all this stuff. This stuff all is going to get auctioned off. One of the coolest things here is, check out this go-kart. This is a cool go-kart. Look at that. Somebody's go-kart for their kid, probably outgrew it, and so that's going up for auction. Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. They got all kinds of stuff for auction here. So they got games and mini bikes and rides and gas pumps. We'll go down, we'll take a look at some engines down here. They got big giant signs that you can get. And go down here, they have neon signs, they've got metal signs, they've got engines on engine stands, all this stuff. Candy machines, the Blues Brothers. All right, so this is why I came here by myself, because I have a certain person who loves Elvis, and this Elvis Presley statue, well, it's life size. I don't think it would fit in the house. Okay, so you've won the lottery, or you have a successful company, or you're the kid of a movie star, and you're trying to think, what should I get my toddler? Well, a Ferrari would work great, but maybe they want some old Ford race cars. Maybe he's into classics. Can always get him a plane, maybe a Speedster, maybe a 1930s coupe or a 40 Ford. The Camry 1966 Ford 427 overhead cam, 700 to 750 to 250 of these made. Wow, that's a Hemi by Ford. That's a Ford Hemi, guys. Here's another one made from a drop tank. Classic Sunday going to town car. Maybe he wants to be a fireman. Likes Mustangs. Likes Cadillacs. Maybe he's just a hot dog aficionado, that's what it is, hot dog, and he would like his own Wienermobile. Maybe set him up for a career in Uber by getting him a checker cab, or he's really small and he could fit, if he's going to be an F1 driver and he's a kid, this is it, because he doesn't have to get much bigger to be able to fit into an F1 car. Right there. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. cool. Pool table. Mustang pool table. Flying saucer. All kinds of stuff here. So you guys have all seen the movie Big. I wonder if this will get me back to being a teenager again, if I think it's, I want to be small. That's all. Everything in here in the auction is cars. You get to see all this kind of stuff as well. All these metal cars. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.